Dear students, in this section we will see examples on COCOMO model. So as we know, basic model takes the form as E is equal to AB KLOC raised to BB and D is equal to CB into bracket E raised to DB. So where the E is the effort, which is in the person months, means the number of persons required for the months, and D is the development time in months, and the coefficient AB, BB, CB and DB are given in the table. So these are the values of the AB, BB, CB and DB. This is for the organic, this is for the semi-detached and this is for the embedded. Okay. And when the effort and development time are known, the average staff size to complete the project may be calculated as average staff size is equal to E upon T, that is effort upon development time in persons. Okay. And when the project size is known, the productivity level may be calculated as productivity P is equal to KLOC upon effort KLOC per EPM. This is the unit for this productivity. So the first example now. Suppose that a project was estimated to be 400 KLOC. Calculate the effort and development time for each of the three modes, that is organic, semi-detached and embedded. So here we have given 400 KLOC. So according to that, as we know, the basic COCOMO model equation is E is equal to AB KLOC raised to BB and D is equal to CB KLOC raised to DB, and estimated KLOC is estimated size of the project is 400. So in the organic mode it is E is equal to 2.4. The AB value for the organic mode is 2.4 into 400, that is the KLOC size of the project, raised to BB. The value of the BB is 1.05. So it is 1295.31 PM person months. And D is equal to CB. The value of CB is 2.5. KLOC here the formula for D is CBE raised to DB. Okay. So here the value of E is 1295.31 raised to DB, that is 0.38. So it is 38.07. Similarly, we will calculate for the semi-detached mode by simply putting the values of AB, BB, CB and DB, and we will calculate for semi-detached as well as embedded mode. And from this example we will see that effort calculated for embedded mode is approximately 4 times the effort for the organic mode. Effort is here 1295 and effort for the embedded mode is 4772. So approximately it is 4 times of the effort for organic mode. The effort calculated for semi-detached mode is 2 times the effort of organic mode. So there is a large difference in these values, but the development time is approximately same for all the three modes. Here it is 38.45, here it is 38, here it is 38.07. Okay. So the development time is approximately same for all the modes. It is clear from here that the selection of mode is very important. Okay. So next problem we will see in the next section.